But in Michigan, long-term care costs can easily exceed $9,000. That's probably being conservative. And without proper planning, much, if not all, of your assets are exposed to potential having to spend that down. But through proactive Medicaid planning, we can avail ourselves of all kinds of asset protecting strategies, especially where people's savings, their homes, their retirement accounts, annuities can come into play. There are specific strategies that can be employed to preserve most, if not all, of those assets and protect them from being exposed. Obviously, carefully timed transfers, financial planning, sometimes meeting with a financial planner to avail ourselves of different financial products and putting specific assets into place can come into play. But we know this: the earlier you plan, and this is across the board in anything, the earlier you plan, the more options you're going to have available to you legally to protect and shield your assets from being exposed.